Most traders only look for bullish engulfing or morning star patterns. But sometimes, a group of candles tells a much bigger story. In this video, I'll show you a powerful 5-candle pattern with an impressive win rate that most traders completely overlook. Let's look at our first example. As you can see, the market is in a clear downtrend. We have a 14-period simple moving average, and both price action and the moving average are showing strong bearish momentum. After making a strong move to the downside, the market prints a bullish candle, followed by another small bullish candle. This tells us that a pullback has started. Next, the market prints a bearish candle, and then another bullish candle. At this point, we have 4 candles forming the pullback structure. Now comes the important part. The 5th candle aggressively engulfs all 4 previous candles and closes below their lows. This creates a powerful 5-candle bearish pattern. To summarize the formation, 2 bullish candles, followed by 1 bearish candle, then another bullish candle, and finally, a strong bearish candle that engulfs the entire structure and closes lower. When this pattern appears, it signals that sellers have regained control of the market. However, this pattern alone is not enough. There are a few additional confirmations that we need to add before taking the trade, and that's what we'll discuss next. Now that we understand the pattern itself, let's move on to the strategy rules. This 5-candle pattern appears quite often, but the key question is, where should it form? And under what conditions should we trade it? The first rule is to add a 14-period simple moving average. The second rule is momentum. Before this pattern forms, the market should already be showing clear selling pressure. In other words, we should see bearish engulfing patterns, rejection candles, or other signs of strong bearish momentum. This confirms that sellers are already in control before the setup appears. In this example, the 14-period simple moving average is clearly pointing downward, indicating a strong downtrend. At the same time, the market has already been printing bearish rejection candles and bearish engulfing patterns, showing continued selling pressure. The third rule is location. The entire 5-candle pattern should form below the 14-period simple moving average. It can touch the moving average, but it should not form above it. This tells us that bearish momentum is still intact. Once all these conditions are met and the 5th candle breaks to the downside, that is where we can open our sell position. Now, take a look at this example because it will make the rules much clearer. First, notice that the 14-period simple moving average is pointing strongly to the downside, confirming a bearish trend. We can also see strong bearish momentum, with bearish engulfing candles appearing before the setup forms. Here, we get our 5-candle pattern. This is the first candle, the second candle, the third candle, and the 4th bullish candle. Then the 5th candle engulfs the entire structure and closes lower. This is a valid setup because the pattern forms while respecting the 14-period simple moving average. In fact, it is forming right around the moving average without breaking above it. This is where we can consider opening a sell position. However, if we look further ahead, we can see another similar pattern forming. At first glance, it looks almost identical, but there is one important difference. This pattern pushes above the 14-period simple moving average before completing. That move above the moving average is a sign of weakness in the bearish trend. So even though the candle formation looks correct, this setup should be avoided because it fails the location rule. Remember, the pattern should form below the 14-period simple moving average, not above it. Now let's move on to some more complex examples, because not every setup will be perfectly textbook. First, take a look at this sell setup. The market is still telling the same story, and the overall information remains the same. The only difference is that this formation contains 2 bearish candles instead of following the ideal structure exactly. If you have enough experience trading this pattern, you may choose to include these variations in your trading plan. However, if you're a beginner, I strongly recommend focusing only on the ideal setups. For now, it's better to ignore patterns that don't perfectly match the rules. Now let's look at this buy setup. At first glance, it follows the same 5-candle structure, but there is one difference. One of the candles is a doji. Remember, a doji is a neutral candle. Depending on the context, it can be treated as either bullish or bearish. In this case, we will treat the doji as a bearish candle. So the structure becomes 2 bearish candles, followed by a bullish candle, then another bearish candle, and finally, a a strong bullish candle that engulfs the entire formation and closes higher. This makes it a valid buy setup. Now look at the next example. Here we have two bearish candles, followed by two bullish candles, then another bearish candle, and finally a bullish candle. There are two problems with this setup. First, it forms a 6-candle structure instead of the required 5-candle pattern. Second, the pattern closes below the 14-period simple moving average, which shows weakness in the bullish setup. Because it breaks two important rules, this trade should be avoided. Now look at this final example. Again, we can treat the doji as a bullish candle. That gives us two bullish candles, followed by one bearish candle, then another bullish candle, and finally a strong bearish candle that engulfs the entire structure. This is a valid setup. We can also see bearish engulfing patterns forming before the setup, which confirms strong selling pressure and bearish momentum. With all conditions aligned, this becomes a high-quality trading opportunity where you can enter the trade and aim for a favorable target. So, that's today's strategy. If you'd like to learn more about this pattern, let me know in the comments by typing more details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.